Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best voice control dashcam in this video? I will show you the top 5 best voice control dashcam to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is Reconding F77. Specifications. Brand name, Red Tiger. View angle, FOV 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 256 GB. Number of lenses, 1. Imaging sensor, GC4653. Pixels, 500 mega. Display size, 3" to 5. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Silicon. Display LCD. Interface SD, MMC, USB 2.0, Wi-Fi Type-C. Warranty 18 months. Weight 0.8 kilograms. Number 4 is Vantrue N5. Specifications. Brand name, Vantrue. App compatibility, yes. Camera resolution, 1920 by 1080. Max external memory, 512 GB. Number of lenses, 4. Display size, 3" to 5. Chipset manufacturer, Silicon. Frames per second, 30. Display, IPS. Warranty, 12 months. As the item number 3 we've selected, 70mm 4K Dashcam T800. Specifications. Brand name, 70mm. Aperture, f1.7 plus 4G3p. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 146 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 512 GB. Number of lenses, 3. Imaging sensor, Sony STARVIS 2 IMX678. Pixels, 800 mega. Display size, 3" to 5. Chipset manufacturer, NT98530. Display, IPS. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 0.991 kilograms. Number 2 is 70mm 4K T800E. Specifications. Brand name, 70mm. Aperture, f1.55. Screen ratio, 16:9. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 512 GB. Number of lenses, 3. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Resolution, 4K plus 1080p plus 1080p. Screen size, 1.9 inches. Warranty, 1 year. On the top of our list at number 1 we have new 70mm 4K Dashcam A810S. Specifications. Brand name, 70mm. Aperture, f1.7. View angle, 146 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 512 GB. Number of lenses, 1. Imaging sensor, Sony STARVIS 2 IMX678. Pixels, 800 mega. Display size, 3" to 5. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Display, IPS. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 0.4 kilograms.